Hello students, in this session we will see how to write program for this type of patterns. I will take here one pattern. First I will show how to write program for this pattern. After that the same program I will convert for different patterns. So if you want to write any program, first you need to take a class. So class, give the name. So I'm giving here P1. You can give any name. Open the bracket. After that you can add public static void main. So public static void main you can add. So you have to give the string argument. Once you given this, now you have to write logic for this pattern. So easiest way to write logic for this pattern is divide this pattern into rows and columns. So first I am dividing this pattern into rows and columns. So now one row, two rows, 3 and 4. And in case of columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 rows and 5 columns. So first we number them. So that is best way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rows and 5 columns. So we number that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now once you given, now to write a logic for this pattern you need to take a loops. Because why we need loops? So we have to take 5 iterations, means 5 times we have to do the same task in case of rows and in case of columns. So how many loops we need? 2 loops we need. How many? 2 loops. So first I will take a loop for the rows. So I'm taking for loop for the rows. So I will start from 1, means I will take from the first row until I will move to 5th row. So that's why I is equal to 1 and I less than or equal 5 I will give, because 5 rows. So I will end at 5, so that is equal to 5, less than or equal to 5. After that, each time once I printed in one row, I want to move to next row, so that's why I given I plus plus. Once this is over, next you need to write a for loop for the columns, because one loop for the iterating the rows, another loop for columns. So now we are writing for the columns. So for int, so now for this time for columns I will take j. So j is equal to 1. So always we begin with 1. Now here you can see, once I started from 1, how where I want to end, means end condition is very important. Here you can see, when first row we are printing only one value, in second row we are printing two values, here third row three values in the sense three columns. So now by this, by seeing this I understood each time we are moving, we are printing a value in a particular row is equal to value of I. See, value of I, one row, one column we printed. Value of I is 2, 2 columns we printed. Value of I is 3, 3 columns we printed. So I am giving the condition j less than or equal to I. So each time we are printing. Now I am giving j plus plus. After that, once this is over, now I want to print the value. So system dot out dot, here we have to use print. So now what values I am printing in each column. Now observe this pattern, how it should be. See, first column we are printing 1, second column we are printing 2, third column we are printing 3, fourth column we are printing 4. So each column we are printing value that is equal to j. So that's why here I will give j. Okay, so now this is over. Each time we are printing j. After that, once the all the columns we will fill in a particular row, next we need to move to next row. So that's why I'm using system dot out dot println means print new line and close. Okay, this for loop and close these two brackets. This is a program for this pattern. By changing a small changes, you can convert the same program to different patterns. Now I want to show this pattern is over. Now for example, instead of here j, instead of j, if you are used I, okay, instead of j, if you are used I, then it will print this pattern. What is that? 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 and 5 5 5 5 5. So easily we can convert this pattern to this just by changing the I. In case of I, for example, if you are changing like this, in case of I, if you are giving like this, want star in a double quotes, you are giving in a star. So on the time what will be happen, it will print first 1 star, next 2 stars, next 3 stars, next 4 stars, next 5 stars. So same if you give one star, instead of star, if you given for example alphabet A, so instead of star you given alphabet A. So on the time what will be happen, A, next A, next A, 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 next A, 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 and next A, 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 A. These pattern will be printed. So if you understood logic for the simple pattern 1, you are able to write 1 2 3 different patterns very easily. And even more we can extend this to other similar this program only. I will change a little and I will explain few more patterns, okay, in a next session. Thank you.